Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful trick for keeping your Google Sheets clean and accurate. Specifically, we're going to prevent duplicate data from sneaking into your spreadsheet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a rule that flags or blocks repeat entries, saving you from all those frustrating sorting errors or data cleanups down the road. Whether you're managing inventory, sign-up forms, or even just a running list of ideas, this method is a game changer. Let's jump right in and see how it works. First things first, start by deciding where you want this anti-duplicate rule to apply. This could be a specific cell, a single column, or an entire row, totally up to what you need to keep unique. For our example today, we're going to focus on column B. Maybe that's your list of email addresses, product codes, or anything else that shouldn't repeat. So let's click anywhere in column B to get started. Clicking here tells Google Sheets, hey, I want my rule to watch over this area. With your area selected, move your eyes up to the menu bar and look for the Data tab. Go ahead and click that. Now from the drop-down options, you'll see something called Data Validation. This is the magic setting that gives us control over what data gets accepted or rejected in our spreadsheet. Click Data Validation and a panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. Here where we add our unique entry rule. Near the top of that panel, you'll notice an option to Add Rule. Click this to start customizing how data can be entered in column B. Now for the most important part, setting the criteria for your rule. In the options list, scroll down and choose Custom Formula Is. This lets us write a simple formula that Google Sheets will use to test the data. In the box, type this formula equals count if $b1 equals 1. What this does is pretty clever. For every new entry in column B, Sheets will count how many times that value already appears. If it's the first time, meaning the count equals 1, it's fine. But the moment you try to enter a repeat, the rule will catch it. Even if formulas sound intimidating, don't worry, you're just copying and pasting here, and trust me, it works. Let's add a little extra help for anyone using the spreadsheet. Under Advanced Options, you'll see a checkbox for Show Help Text for a selected cell. Tick this, then type in a friendly reminder like no duplicates. This way, if someone tries to enter a duplicate, they'll see a message explaining why the entry isn't allowed. It's a small detail, but it helps keep everyone on the same page and avoids confusion. Just below that, you have a choice. If someone enters duplicate data, do you want Sheets to give them a gentle warning or flat out reject the entry so it can't be saved? If you're running a tight ship and absolutely cannot have repeats, select Reject Input. If you want to allow the entry but call attention to the issue, pick Show Warning. It all depends on how strict you want your system to be. Once all that's set up, hit Done, and that's it. You've now put up a safety net in Google Sheets, protecting your columns from double entries. Give it a try and you'll see how it immediately flags or blocks duplicates. If you have any questions or want to know how to apply this to other parts of your spreadsheet, drop a comment below. I love helping you solve these spreadsheet puzzles. Don't forget to like this video if you found it handy and subscribe for more straightforward Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.